Yes, how are you everyone? Today we want to look at how to generate Gmail accounts using shortcuts. So somebody was told to generate Gmail accounts by combining the first name and the second name, and this is what I found them doing. This is what I found them doing. The next name, this is what I found them doing all through. So that one, if you do it, you are going to take a lot of time to generate the Gmail accounts for these people here. So what are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? Get the first Gmail account. Just get the first Gmail account. Get the first Gmail account. And when you want to get the second one or the other ones that are remaining, simply say Control E, and you'll be able to generate all the Gmail accounts. That is the shortcut of doing that. What if you want to separate the names? Let's say you want them to be in different columns. Just come here and say, type Ronald. Then this other one here, Felista. So having done that, just say Control E. This other one, Control E. And you'll be able to get the names of these people there. So that's how we can get the names of these people separated. That's how we can get the names of these people separated into different cells. Just type the first name, then moving to the next cell, say Control E, and you will be able to get the names of these employees. So with that, that's how we get the names of this employee and even separate them without doing it one by one. Generate Gmail accounts and also even separate the names into different cells. If you want to know more, remember you are enjoying all this from RCM Online College. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be able to get more of this. So for now, if you want CPA, ACCA, Advanced Excel, and Data Analytics, please join our only #1 online school or college, that is RCM Online College. You can reach us via 0719 525,000. We offer these courses at affordable price, virtually without inconveniencing you with your busy schedules. So please, we are looking forward to meeting you when you will be joining us to get more of these tips and skills at RCM. Thank you for your time, and please inform your friends so that you can also join us at RCM Online College. Thanks and have a blessed time.